Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T Sportline, and today I want to talk to you about installing our matte carbon fiber dash decor trim on a performance Model 3. We already did a video on how to install it on a Model 3 with the wood dash decor, and that's a great video, really shows you how to do it, and it's very easy. But since then, we've noticed that with the performance car and the white dash, you could still see a little bit of the dash at the lower edge where it meets the silver trim. The reason for this error is because when we originally tooled this, the Tesla Model 3 only had a wood dash and the fit is perfect. But now we're finding with the performance car and the white dash, again, you could see a little bit of that trim still if you're really looking for it, and we want to go ahead and make the install perfect for you. We don't want you to see any more of that white trim. So here's the solution on how to go ahead and do it, what products you need, and they will also be somewhat included with your purchase. So when you purchase our carbon fiber dash decor, it already comes with the 3M adhesive promoter, which we'll show you in a moment on how to use again. And you will also need to provide yourself with some rubbing alcohol, 70% rubbing alcohol, a clean microfiber towel, and also we are now going to be giving you some 3M satin black vinyl wrap film. And I'm going to show you how we apply this film onto the white dash to cover up that lower edge before installing the carbon fiber trim. So let's go inside to a Model 3 now, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Okay, so step one, you're going to go ahead and use your 70% rubbing alcohol onto a microfiber towel, and then you're going to go ahead and use that towel to go ahead and clean the surface of your white performance dash. Next step, grab the 3M vinyl wrap film, peel back a part of it, and cut the underside tape. This will allow you to go ahead and start sticking and applying it at your starting point, which will be the edge, lining it up, and then you'll be able to peel back the underside and apply the rest of the wrap film along the edge where it meets up with the silver trim. Don't worry about this being applied 100% straight or perfect, because the carbon fiber dash is going to cover up 99% of it, and we're just worried about that lower edge where the white meets the silver. Once you've done the driver's side, use one of the smaller square pieces that we've also included and cover up the upper edge where it meets the air conditioning vents. So once you have completed the driver's side, go ahead and repeat the process on the passenger side. You will notice that we are actually not applying any of the black film directly behind the monitor in the car. That is because it is not necessary. Next step, go ahead and take the 3M adhesive promoter, open it up, and use the pad that's inside to go ahead and apply to the complete white dash and also the black area that we went ahead and wrapped. For our next step, go ahead and take the carbon fiber dash, flip it on its backside, and peel off the 3M double-sided tape backing. This is a two-man operation moving forward. Our final step, we're ready for the installation. This is a two-man operation. Go ahead and start at the top of the dash by the AC vents, lay it up, and then you can go ahead and just set it down and start applying pressure on all surface areas, specifically the outer edges. That's most important, to go ahead and put your pressure there to make sure that the double-sided tape adheres properly to the white dash surface area. So thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and follow this technique when installing our matte carbon fiber dash on our performance white dash Model 3. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. So many more amazing videos coming your way soon.